How to use the Pages panel in Squarespace. So to use the Pages panel, you just need to head over first in their website that you have created on Squarespace. And from in there, click on to this website that you can find on your left sidebar. From in there, you can see the pages. So click on that. And from in there, you can see your main navigation pages, your pages that are not linked, as well as marketing tools, custom codes, as well as system pages available. So for this case, in order to use it, you can just click onto this plus icon if you want to add a new page for this part. So to do that, head over and click on the plus, choosing here the kind of page that you want to use. I'll choosing here this portfolio. Then after that, this will load for a bit in order to create the actual page for you. You can choose in here the layout of the page. I'll choose in here this one. And then after that, this will be added right here. You can just name this right there. Now, if a page is already completed or added and you want to rename it, you can proceed to do so by editing it right here. So you can also edit the actual content of this page right there as well. Now, in this, in order to rename a page, just head over and click onto this gear icon for that. You name the page title, the navigation title, as well as the slug for it. After that, you can click onto the save in order to save it right there. So as you can see, it's been saved altogether. So if you want to delete a page, just go over to that particular page that you want to delete and click onto the trash can icon beside it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.